Which one do we go first? Raw chicken, raw turkey. Look at how much pinker the turkey is. Let's go with the superior bird. Take that raw chicken. I'm not even sorry. But please don't give me salmon Nutella. Don't break my heart, raw chicken. Like raw milk is doing right now. Raw milk is breaking my heart. It's freaking ruining my skin. Holy shit, this turkey is good. This just melts in your mouth, huh? This is like flying tuna. It tastes so much like tuna. A little bit less fatty. And a little bit softer. The texture. Holy shit. That's good. I wonder what swan tastes like. But yeah, the milk. I don't know what the fuck is going on with you raw milk right now. But you attacking my skin. I feel good drinking raw milk. Actually, I'm drinking raw kefir right now. But I just feel when I drink it, 30 minutes, 1 hour later, it just fucking inflames this area and this area on my face. It makes it dry and full of pimples. I've been drinking raw milk for months now. Why do you do it now? You got me hooked and then you break my heart, just like these bitches do. Or you do for the bitches. That's why they hate men these days. That's why some men hate women these days. Let's talk about that heartbreak. How to get over it. Because it's not a fun state to be in. You're basically destroying yourself from the inside out. Holy shit, guys. This raw turkey and raw chicken makes you so freaking. So yeah, when somebody breaks your heart, it feels like somebody died, somebody close to you died basically. You think about that breakup. It brings such a unpleasant biochemical state inside of you. The emotion is not pleasant. No. The first thing is obviously time. Time heals, but some trauma can take a whole lifetime. I love these days, these bitches here. Some these guys do, they go to therapy year after year, and then they always say like, oh, I feel so much better, I've been talking to my therapist, and then you see them talk about how they feel mentally ill again 1 week later. It's just this cycle. Because just talking about it and getting out of your system by talking, I mean, that's good. You shouldn't lock it in. You should find somebody you care and share it with them and get it like out there. But only that, it doesn't seem to be enough. Time definitely helps, but it can still linger in there for a long time, depending how big of a breakup, heartbreak it was. The more you were in love, bigger the heartbreak. Nature basically telling you, why didn't you follow me? I made this really good feeling so you wouldn't break up. That's why I need to punish you for the rest of your days now. So time talking about it to somebody you trust, they can help. Eating good food, giving your body a lot of nutrition. That always helps with the biochemical state of your being, and giving your body the least amount of toxicity you can. That helps a lot. That can heal a lot also. That might not be enough also. The best way to get over heartbreak is you find another love. And that love needs to be at least as potent, as powerful as the one before. And if it's better, you're gonna forget about that heartbreak in a heartbeat. You over that bitch or a guy like that. If you find somebody better, that's the best way to get over heartbreak. But there's a danger in there that can lead you in a loop or of heartbreak after heartbreak. You try to rebound with somebody. You're in a kind of vulnerable state. Oh my god, my pronunciation sometimes. In my mind, I know exactly how to say it, but vulnerable, that ending part, impossible for my mouth. But you are in the state where somebody can use you easily. You're kinda desperate. You wanna get over this heartbreak. You wanna heal this trauma. And then somebody uses you. Raw chicken never uses me. Raw chicken always works together with me. We are a great team. So, you see what's the danger in there? You can go from heartbreak to heartbreak. Now you just doubled the trauma. Like a real Momo you are. That's where the hate towards men and women comes from. You play a little bit of that loop, you don't trust nobody anymore, and you cannot open yourself up to love anymore. But that's how you get over heartbreak. Obviously, the best scenario would be you never even experience heartbreak, like more, except when the other one dies, if they die before you. But you would probably be, if there wasn't some accident, you would be probably pretty old yourself. So that's why nature created this incredible bond with the first love you have, the first love. That's why many people never get over the first love they experience. They always think about that one. Especially if they had sex without protection. And then the bond would be even more stronger if you guys would have a child from the get-go. So that's how nature tried to lock you in with this person. And obviously, just a couple decades ago, that was the norm. Now it's not the norm. Now divorces, breakups, heartbreaks, cheating, polyamorous relationships. There's some polyamory in tribes too, but they usually do it for practical reasons because they need more workforce. And the males obviously can impregnate more women than women need to carry that child for 9 months, and then straight after that they still need to take care a lot of that child. But men can impregnate many women in the same time. Many of these tribes, or I don't know many, but some have multiple. The men have multiple wives, so they can have more children, so they can have more workforce. But some of those relationships obviously are not based on love, they're just based on mind, mental kind of stuff, logic and reasoning and practicality. But the man obviously always prefers one of the women. So there's there. Big one also, bringing a lot of issues in modern relationships is infertility. This thing right here, this thing could do a lot to cure that. When you can't have children with somebody you love, that will create issues. You might not want to admit them to yourself or the partner, but many times they in that back of your mind, that subconscious mind, they're lingering in there, and those things always in some way come up in relationships. That's why there's all this programming that seeps into your subconscious mind that makes us almost incapable of having these true romances anymore. But that's just one of the issues. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. Well, love is pretty simple in its nature. But man, there's a lot of that baby hurt me. Don't hurt me. but we are hurting other people a lot. Thanks for watching. Have you ever been in love? And have you ever been heartbroken? Let me know in the comments. I can be your therapist, trust me, bro.